In this video, we're looking at some of the uses of fractions in everyday life, so we'll cover how to find a fraction of something, like finding 2/5 of 15 kilos, and how to express one thing as a fraction of something else, like writing 90 pounds as a fraction of 210 pounds. To find a fraction of something, like 2/5 of 15 kilos, we write the 15 kilos as a fraction. So turn it into 15 over 1, which we're allowed to do because 15 divided by 1 is just 15, so we haven't actually changed this value at all. Next, we have to multiply the two fractions together. So 2 over 5 times 15 over 1, which means 2 times 15 divided by 5 times 1, or 30 over 5, which is 6, so the answer is 6 kilos. Let's try another one. In this question, we're trying to find 3/4 of 1,200 pounds, so the first thing we need to do is write an equation of 3/4 times 1,200 over 1. Then to multiply them, we do the 3 times 1,200 to get 3,600 as our numerator, and divide that by the 4 times 1 to get 4 as our denominator. So the answer is 3,600 over 4, which is just 900 pounds. Now, to write one number as a fraction of another number, like 90 pounds as a fraction of 210 pounds, we just put the first number over the second number to make a fraction, and then we simplify the whole thing down as much as we can. So here we're to do 90 over 210, and then simplify it by dividing top and bottom by 10 to get 9 over 21, and then by 3 to get 3 over 7. So 90 pounds is 3/7 of 210 pounds. In this next question, we're asked to express 40 as a fraction of 16, and the first thing to notice here is that 40 is bigger than 16, which means that our fraction will be bigger than 1, so it will have to be an improper fraction or a mixed number, but this doesn't make any difference to our workings, so the first step is to put 40 over 16 to make a fraction, and then we have to simplify it. So we could divide top and bottom by 8 to get 5 over 2, and that would be our final answer. Anyway, that's everything for today's video, so hope that was helpful, and I'll see you again soon.